Hey, I'm Paul Begay, AST Systems Designer. We're going to be looking at the PolyGeyser filter today, and I'm going to show y'all or illustrate how the PolyGeyser backwashes. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken the head off of the filter, and I'm going to be pumping air into the filter and showing how the backwash mechanism actually happens. Okay, so this air is injected into a charge chamber here, and what's going to happen is the water that's inside of this filter is going to be displaced. So I'm going to pop on the other side of the filter here and then start injecting air. What's happening right now is air is displacing the water, and this is the same thing that happens inside of your filter, only with a continuous duty air pump. So as that air expands in the charge chamber, once it gets large enough, it will escape through internal plumbing, which we call the internal trigger, and then have a violent blast of air through what would be the beads above it. Okay, so let's watch that happen right now. I'm using an air compressor. There's our backwash right there. Okay, so I'm using an air compressor right now and injecting air just for illustrative purposes. Let's see what that looks like now with a PolyGeyser that has the head on it. Okay, so as you can see, we've got beads here. We're displacing water, and if we look closely, that air bubble is going to be shooting upwards through these beads, and the beads are going to shake all the solids off of them, which then settle out at the bottom of the filter to be easily drained from the bottom anytime. So there's the backwash there. It's important to note with these filters that you lose 0 water during the backwash. So any of that water that we were shooting out right there, that would all be water returned to your pond or your tank. But 0 water is lost during a backwash. All of the sludge that was shaken off of the beads falls to the bottom of the filter and then is easily drained through a gate valve. And that's concentrated sludge, and that can be done as little as once a week depending on your loading. So we'll have a few more videos on the PolyGeysers to come, but it's a very interesting, very effective bioclarifier with that operates on a pneumatic backwash. So stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you.